HHS Energy proudly presents innovative server rack batteries crafted to provide advanced solar energy storage solutions for homes, businesses and industries across the globe. We provide robust, scalable and reliable products to maximise renewable energy potential. Based on advanced LFP technology, they offer high-performance power capacity ranging from 5 to 50 kilowatt hours, meeting diverse energy requirements with ease and efficacy. Designed for longevity, these batteries can deliver up to 6,000 cycles at 80% depth of discharge. Utilising the highly stable and efficient LFP technology, our batteries stand out for their superior thermal stability, extended cycle life and enhanced safety features. The reduced risk of overheating or combustion makes them ideally suited for high-capacity applications. A significant advantage of our batteries is the ability to enable parallel connection and expansion. This feature facilitates increased energy storage capacity, responding to growth or increased demands, while also offering scalability and flexibility. Also, the rack mounting design ensures that installation is easy and time efficient. We back our batteries with a solid 6-year warranty, reflecting our confidence in the product's durability and our commitment to customer satisfaction. Adhering to international standards, our batteries have obtained multiple certifications such as CE, UN, MSDS, UL and IEC. These standards reflect our dedication to safety and quality, positioning our product as a globally trusted, risk-free investment. In addition to these features, we enhance the user experience through app-based real-time monitoring, offering essential insights into the system's performance and health. This facilitates informed decision-making and streamlined energy management. Established in 2004, HHS Energy is a respected manufacturer of lithium storage systems, including lithium-ion, lithium iron phosphate and lithium polymer batteries. With adherence to global standards, we export quality certified products worldwide, standing as a trusted provider of energy storage solutions.